Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok text to speech. If it's not working, it's pretty quick and easy. So let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the TikTok app here, and I'm just going to tap the plus icon at the bottom center here to bring up the camera. And I'm just going to walk you through doing the text to speech, and then what you can do to fix it if it's not working properly. So at the bottom right, I can hit that little check mark. And then at the very top right, you can see text here. I'll tap that and just type in something random here. And then you can see towards the bottom left here is a little person with some speech coming out. So I can tap that. And it gives me the option to have a bunch of different text to speech. I can have different voices singing all that stuff, and I can hit done. And then text to speech is turned on or enabled. But if this is not working or it's not showing up for you, there is an easy fix for that. Let's hop out of here and open up our settings and then scroll down until you get to General and tap on General. And then tap on iPhone storage here midway down. Now this will bring up all of your apps, and we're going to find TikTok and offload the app and reinstall the app, because the text-to-speech feature should be enabled on all of the accounts. It's a fairly new feature, but it should be available for you. Offloading and reinstalling the TikTok app allows you to refresh all of the core app files in TikTok and get everything working again without deleting any of your drafts or your login or any of that. So once that's done, we can open up TikTok again, and then we can go back in here and enable that text to speech. Turn it on and use it just as normal. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.